Back at it again with Charles Celica.
Hey guys.
So we've had bad end links for the sway bar because this yeah, this is no good. So this was on the rear passenger side, and it had a kick out when you would hit a decent pothole at speed. You could feel that rear end kind of shimmy and shake. So we're hoping that these end links should solve that problem. We're going to go ahead and replace all 4 of them. These were what? Amazon? eBay?
Detroit Steel, eBay.
Yeah. So Detroit Steel off of eBay cost them like 30 bucks.
Less than that, I think.
That's rounded up. Yeah, I'm just saying 30 bucks just to round it up and make it a nice number. So, yeah, no, quick, easy. All you've really got to do, jack the car up, take the tire off, and then these are 14 millimeter bolts with a, let's see, where's my hex heads at? Here it is. Yeah, with I'm pretty sure a 4 millimeter hex key in it. It's either a 4 or a 5. It's one of the two. So, let's see here. Yeah, it's a 5. So yeah, 5 millimeter, 14. Use the Allen key to hold the bolt in place while you spin the nut. And I typically do put a jack under the brakes here just to give this a little bit of lift on that, so it squeezes up on this and lets you get the tie rod ends out pretty easy. Or the sway bar end links in and out pretty easy. So we've got this side done. This was the problem side. So we're just going to replace all 4 of them because, hell, it's been almost 190,000 miles on this car, and they're due. I'll took her out for a test drive, and she is no longer doing that little kick-out fishtail thing, running beautifully. So we are back in action. Charles is safer than he's ever been in this car.
I'm excited.
Good, we should be.